ever looked around your home and felt that something's missing? A space that should bring peace, but instead feels cluttered and noisy, lifeless? We all chase calm, yet forget that peace can begin right outside our door. Welcome to Relaxed Garden, where we transform ordinary corners into soulful escapes. Today, let's wander through beautiful garden design ideas that fill your surroundings with light, life, and calm. Every image, every sound you'll experience here is meant to ease your mind, slow your heartbeat, and remind you what serenity truly feels like. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Let the worries fade for a while. If you love relaxing visuals, gentle nature sounds, and simple ways to bring peace into your home, just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your space to pause, to breathe, and to feel grounded again. Imagine stepping into a space that welcomes you, not with words, but with stillness. Soft shades of green whispering calm, sunlight filtering through gentle layers of leaves, a quiet rhythm of air, water, and time. Every element works together, texture, color, and sound, to create a peaceful atmosphere that resets your mind. Even the smallest details, a patch of shade, the ripple of water, the sound of footsteps on soft earth, carry a silent harmony. In this peaceful garden, time slows down, your thoughts feel lighter, every breath feels deeper, and you begin to remember peace was never far away. It just needed a space to grow. So whether you dream of open green corners or quiet, cozy spots, let these garden design ideas remind you, tranquility doesn't need perfection. It needs intention, a moment of stillness, a touch of care, and nature does the rest. As the light fades and the air turns still, take one more quiet moment. Feel the calm that surrounds you. This peace, this gentle balance, is what your heart has been searching for. Every home deserves a space that soothes the soul, and every person deserves time to reconnect with nature and with themselves. If today's journey brought you peace, stay with us. There's more beauty waiting to be discovered, more ways to fill your home with calm, comfort, and quiet joy. Herb your watching relaxed garden, where every space can become a sanctuary. Like, share, and subscribe so your next moment of peace is never far away.